In this guide, we'll show you 2 ways to install APK files on Android outside of Google Play easily. Part 1. How to install APK files on Android devices directly. Installing APK files directly on your Android device is a straightforward process, but it requires allowing your phone to install apps from unknown sources. This ensures that your device can safely open and run the APK without any restrictions. By following the steps below, you can quickly install APK files on your Android phone or tablet and start using the app immediately. Step 1. Navigate to your device's settings. Step 2. Go to Apps and Notifications or Apps. Step 3. Tap Advanced and then select Special App Access. The exact path may vary by device. You can also search for Install Unknown Apps in the Settings search bar. Step 4. Select Install Unknown Apps. Step 5. Find the app you will use to open the APK file, for example, your browser, like Chrome, or your file manager app, and tap it. Toggle Allow from this source to on. Step 6. Open your file manager app, for example, My Files or your web browser. Step 7. Locate the APK file you have downloaded. It's usually saved in the Downloads folder. Step 8. Tap on the APK file to begin installation. If a security prompt appears, confirm by tapping Install. Step 9. Once complete, tap Open to launch the app or Done to finish. Part 2. How to install APK files from computer to Android. If you prefer to install APK files from your computer to your Android device, Coolmuster Android Assistant is a simple and secure option. It allows you to manage, install, and uninstall Android apps directly from your computer, along with contacts, messages, photos, and other data. Step 1. Download and launch Coolmuster Android Assistant on your computer, then connect your phone to the computer via USB cable. Step 2. Follow the instructions in the interface to enable USB debugging and install USB drivers on your computer. Then the program will detect your device and display it as follows. Step 3. Hit the Apps option in the left panel and then click the Install button here. A new pop-up window will be open, and find the APK file that you've downloaded before, then click the OK button to import and install it on your phone directly.